Ethereum price slides under $2,600. Is a rebound coming? Ethereum could be reaching oversold levels, analysts think, while bullish narratives build in the background that could facilitate outperformance later this year. Last updated, February 11th, 2025. Author, Joel Frank. Author categories. About author. Since graduating with a degree in economics from the University of Birmingham in 2018, Joel has worked as a financial market/cryptocurrency analyst. He firmly believes that emerging crypto technology. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. February 11th, 2025 at 22:40 GMT+2. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Ethereum, ETH, slides under $2,600/source. Cryptonews. While sentiment in the Ethereum, ETH market remains in the dumps as the world's second-largest crypto by market cap slides back under $2,600. The bears could be in for a surprise in the months ahead. Short-term chart analysis suggests a deeper pullback in the days ahead could ensue. After breaking below its downtrend from the mid-December highs last week, Ethereum was rejected at a retest of this trend line on Tuesday. That suggests elevated risks of a deeper drop back towards $2,000 in the weeks ahead. If Wednesday's US CPI data comes in hotter than expected, this could be the next major catalyst for downside as Fed rate cut bets are wound down. Ethereum doesn't just face the possibility of further declines in its USD price, but also against Bitcoin, BTC. Since the hugely successful US Bitcoin ETF launch in 2024, ETH/BTC has slumped from around 0.055 to current levels around 0.027. And if the crypto market is set to face headwinds in the coming weeks, BTC dominance is only set to rise as traders shift towards the relative safety of the world's largest and oldest crypto. However, while short-term sell pressure could remain elevated, some analysts say that traders would do well to continue stacking ETH. Here's why ETH's streak of consistent underperformance could end soon. Ethereum, ETH, underperformance won't last. Here's why. Analysts at 10x Research posited on Monday that Ethereum might be approaching oversold levels and could present a good short-term risk-reward bet. Meanwhile, analysts at Citi just published a bullish research note on the coin, noting how its poor price performance this year stands at odds with growing on-chain activity, including TVL, strong ETF inflows this year, and growing search interest. Citi also noted what could be one of Ethereum's most important bullish narratives right now, that the Trump family, via their World Liberty Financial DeFi project, has been stacking ETH and now hold over $200 million. The arrival of the Trump administration in the White House has already kickstarted a new era for crypto in the USA, with bolstering the Ethereum ecosystem likely to be central to plans given the Trump family's investments in the coin. A recent increase in ETH whale purchases, noted by ex-analyst Ted Pillows, could reflect a view amongst smart money investors that, as noted by 10x Research, risk-reward at the current ETH price is very good. It's also worth noting that ETH recently printed a golden cross on the weekly chart, which has historically proven to be a great buy signal. Crypto Rover, meanwhile, notes that ETH could be on the cusp of breaking out of a long-term pennant pattern that could see it 2-3x from current price levels. Ethereum will have its day. Ethereum has been dogged by concerns about competition from up-and-coming rivals like Solana, Sway, and its Layer 2 ecosystem of blockchains like Base and Arbitrum. Thanks to its technical flaws, like relatively high gas prices and slow transactions, fears remain elevated that ETH is going to get left behind. Uniswap, the biggest DEX operating on Ethereum, recently launched its own Layer 1 protocol, an example of these concerns. That, plus an underwhelming Ethereum ETF's launch in 2024, have resulted in lackluster price action even as BTC surged to new record highs above $100,000. Ethereum's underwhelming performance is fueling a cycle where price declines generate FUD, which in turn leads to further underperformance. However, Ethereum still has so much going for it that it would be foolish to count the blockchain out. As noted, it's a Trump family-owned coin, suggesting there will be efforts to bolster its ecosystem specifically under the Trump administration. It's also BlackRock's chosen coin. They have specifically said they want to focus on promoting their BTC and ETH ETFs, rather than launching more for more coins. That reflects the fact that Ethereum is far and away the most secure and trusted smart contract-enabled blockchain in the space, and remains the dominant leader in DeFi. Per DeFi Llama, Ethereum's TVL is currently around $56.4 billion, a 53% share of overall TVL in the space. Unlike retail investors, major financial institutions like BlackRock prioritize security and decentralization over transaction speed and cost. When moving large amounts of assets, they value a blockchain that offers a high level of security and reliability. Outside of Bitcoin, Ethereum stands out as the most trusted smart contract-enabled blockchain for institutional use. Ethereum might be in the dumps right now, but with so much going for it behind the scenes, its fortunes may shift as market conditions evolve. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Former Base team launches blue chip token backed by Coinbase Ventures. SEC likely to acknowledge XRP and Dogecoin ETF applications this week. Analyst XRP price set to explode to $10. Attorney predicts lawsuit will end before ETF approval. Bitcoin news. Solo Bitcoin miner has mined an entire Bitcoin block worth $300,000. One day ago, by Tanzil Akhtar. Altcoin news. Crypto prices dip as Trump's metal trade tariffs weigh on markets. One day ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Altcoin news. Grayscale files for spot Cardano ETF, first ADA-based investment vehicle. 20 hours ago, by Suja Sundararajan. Bitcoin news. North Carolina and Florida push for Bitcoin reserves. One day ago, by Hassan Shitu. Blockchain news. Elon Musk-led firm makes $97.4 billion bid for OpenAI, Wall Street Journal report. One day ago, by Tanzil Akhtar.